Hello guys! Today I will be teaching you how to fix the activation freeze issue on any Windows version. As you can see, anytime I click the activation button, it doesn't work and sometimes the settings app crashes. This problem doesn't go away when I also restart my PC, and this prevents me from activating my Windows. But I found a very quick fix and trick to solve this problem. First, we need to boot up our PC in safe mode. To do this, click the Windows plus R key together and type in msconfig. Once the menu pops up, click on Boot, select Safe Mode and apply. Now restart your PC. Once your PC is restarted, the safe mode will be activated. Sorry, Windows won't allow me screen record in safe mode, so I will be using screenshots instead. Now the buttons work without freezing. You can now go ahead to run a troubleshooter or change your activation key, but I recommend running a troubleshooter before activating. After activation, you can now boot your PC out of safe mode. Now my Windows is now activated. The annoying watermark is also gone. If your PC still didn't get activated after doing this, make sure to contact Microsoft customer support to get this issue fixed. If this video really helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.